very happy now to be joined by a wonderful member of the community, Radi Ezih, who is nearly 40 years of being a teacher here in Beit Jann and also a tour guide. Thank you for welcoming us to your wonderful, wonderful city.
With pleasure.
Tell us what's unique about the generations of people who have lived here. I imagine you taught parents and children of parents that were your students doing this business and career for 40 years.
Beit Jann is a very, very marvelous and beautiful village. Okay, the population about 13,000 people. All of them are Druze. The Druze used to live here for many generations here in Beit Jann. And they lived from agriculture and from tourism. And nowadays we are here. We are happy. We are happy to welcome tourists here in Beit Jann. It's a very, very beautiful village.
And from the standpoint of a tour guide, explain to our viewers what is so wonderful and unique about the Druze culture and what people could experience when they come here.
The Druze community, they have a warm hospitality. Okay, they love tourists and they love guests to come here to Beit Jann. Beit Jann has a beautiful weather, especially in winter. There is snow. There is beautiful views here in the winter. Okay, and we have beautiful mountains, beautiful hills, and also springs, water springs.
And what's unique about the oud vis-a-vis the music of the Druze people, which I know it's Oriental and Arabic in nature, but what's unique about the oud?
I mix my tour guide guiding with the music. Okay, I play the lute. It's an Oriental music instrument. It's very good and very nice, and it's lovely because I can mix between the views, the history of Beit Jann, okay, with my music.
Thank you so much once again for having us. And without further ado, we're going to be hearing you playing oud music. So we're going to close out the show with a performance by this wonderful man. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Holy Land Uncovered from Beit Jann. I'm Emily Francis, and please enjoy the rest of your week.
الهوى الشمال يغير اللون على دلعونا وعلى دلعونا الهوى الشمال يغير اللون شو عملنا بلبل عالشجر غنى وإنا شو عملنا وبلبل عالشجر غنى ويا ليتني ما عرفته ولا عرفته عحالي ولا ليتني ما عرفته ولا عرفته عحالي لا باكل ولا بشرب لا باكل باكل ولا بشرب بس بطلع بعيوني بلل يا عيني بلل لا باكل ولا بشرب لا باكل ولا بشرب بس بطلع بعيوني بلل يا عيني بلل